Good afternoon. Welcome to Colorado Mountain Retreats Summit County Market Overview. Today we're taking a very close look at Copper Mountain condominium sales. Copper Mountain, the ski area located between Breckenridge and Vail, is one of the locals' favorites. Has a lot of condominium development. It's actually boomed in the last 10 years down there. And so today we're going to take a look at that market analysis. Taking a look here, our high sales price was $875, sold at $825. 464 days on the market. To do that, the low was a 324 square foot, one bedroom, one bath, listed for $79,900, sold for $71,500. That's 85% of the list price. Did sell with 1 day on the market. Our average days on the market there are about 150 days. We're going to go to the price trend chart, which is the price trend over the last 2 years for condominium sales in Copper Mountain, Colorado. And if you look here at our price trends, we started out at approximately $360,000 in June of 2004. Or 2009, I'm sorry. We get in Copper Mountain, we tend to get a peak at the end of the summer, and then it drops off, and then a little bit of a blip comes up in January and February. Seems to be the seasonality of that, but the blip in January and February does not seem to be as much as the summer blip. But if you look, we've gone from 360 down to 324 in June of 2010, and then again we get that end of summer blip in price as people are trying to buy before the ski season starts. But if you look and follow this trend line, which is the blue line, you can see that that prices are steadily declining in Copper Mountain. Coming down to May of 2011, and we have 251,250 was the average selling price there. So let's take a look at the number of units sold by month going back 2 years. And what we're going to find here as soon as it comes up is that every single month in Copper Mountain throughout 09 and the months of 2010, we're right around a little less than 20 or slightly over 20 units per month sold, with the exception of November. But then once we get into late November of 2010 and December of 2010, the number of units selling every month in Copper Mountain drops dramatically, and down to 2 units sold in May of 2011. So you can see that the pricing there, that there's tremendous downward pressure on price due to lack of demand. What I'm going to do now is go change the criteria a bit, take a look at the active units on the market in Copper Mountain, and we're going to change that up. So we're going to find that there's 103 currently active units on the market in Copper Mountain. But at 2 units absorption per month, we are, oops, that's not the, well, you can look here. Our list price is fairly steady. Look at our trend line over the last 2 years. Look at how flat that is. So everybody's listing their properties for the same amount as they were 2 years ago, but they're getting dramatically less. And that's probably why the sales have dropped off so much, because the asking prices are getting way out of line given the inventory. So here we can look at our total inventory and the number of months of inventory and number of active listings, and basically we're just going crazy. The number of listings on the market is going up dramatically, and so that's where we end up there with tremendous downward price point pressure. So that's a wrap on Copper Mountain condos. Check us out, www.coloradomountainretreats.com. We're located in Breckenridge. We're your Breckenridge realtor and buyer agent. We're looking to help you out with anything in Summit County. If that's Breckenridge properties, that's Keystone properties, that's Copper Mountain properties, you name it, we can help you with it, and we're here for you today.